Here's the app called VIDEA, AI Video Maker Effects. VIDEA revolutionize your content creation with advanced video generation. Unleash your creativity with VIDEA, the ultimate tool for turning your ideas into captivating videos. Whether you're a content creator, social media enthusiast, or just exploring your creative side, VIDEA puts the power of video generation at your fingertips. Forget complicated software, create professional quality videos effortlessly, no prior editing experience required. Powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence, VIDEA simplifies video creation, letting everyone produce stunning, share-worthy content in minutes. Superheroes transformation, dancing videos, text to video, artistic filters and styles. Why choose VIDEA? Effortless video generation, fast and intuitive, versatile tools, cutting-edge AI, social media ready. So superhero scenes, romantic moments, social media account, marketing videos, memorable creations. So then you can just go in there and just tap to install it. And yeah, so that's basically the idea in here. And then you can just open it up. So then there is annual access $40 per year, or weekly access $8 per week. And this is then you can just buy a nice deal with coins. Then again, this is a subscription. So token hat, then you can just you can create videos, but I have 0 coins. And depending on the provider, on the different models, you need more coins. So in this app is pretty cool that you can actually select the different model you want. So that's the idea. Share the app. I don't know whether it has some kind of, so this is just a link to the app. And that's just what you have in here. Again, you can just upgrade. If you want, I can upgrade. So just put more likes under this video. Just add more and more likes under this video, and then I will just upgrade. So your likes are needed to continue me working on YouTube. So just add more likes, and then yeah, I will show you upgraded version of the app. So let's just check it out. So token hat video creation. So you can just generate speech. And then if you want, again, you need to buy more coins, and then
Hello.
And then, so yes, you can see there are no limited free version in the app, but quite a good app, again, because you can select all the models which you like, and that's the idea.